Today I am reviewing the Apple 2025 MacBook Air 13-inch laptop with M4 chip. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Apple 2025 MacBook Air 13-inch laptop with M4 chip represents a remarkable leap forward in performance, design, and intelligent computing. This laptop is perfect for anyone, from students and professionals to creative designers and content creators, who wants a machine that is portable, powerful, and extremely efficient. Apple has engineered this MacBook Air to deliver top-tier performance without compromising its legendary lightweight design. At the heart of this laptop is the new M4 chip, which offers unprecedented speed and efficiency. Whether you're running multiple apps simultaneously, editing high-resolution videos, or tackling graphics-heavy projects, the M4 chip ensures smooth performance every step of the way. Thanks to advanced architecture and Apple Intelligence, the system optimizes performance automatically, providing a balance of speed and power efficiency. Apple Intelligence is more than just performance. It's your personal assistant, helping you manage tasks, write, create, and get things done effortlessly. And unlike many other laptops, this one comes with built-in privacy protections, keeping your data safe and secure at all times. One of the most impressive features of the MacBook Air is its battery life, which lasts up to 18 hours on a single charge. This means you can work or play all day without worrying about carrying a charger. Coupled with its ultra-thin and lightweight design, this laptop is ideal for working on the go, whether you're commuting, traveling, or just moving from room to room in your home or office. The 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display is a visual masterpiece. With support for 1 billion colors, everything you view becomes vivid and lifelike. Text is razor-sharp, images are rich and detailed, and videos feel immersive and cinematic. For creative professionals, this means your photos, designs, and videos appear exactly as intended, with true-to-life colors and contrast. This display is complemented by True Tone technology and wide color support, making your content pop in any lighting condition. The MacBook Air also shines in terms of communication and media. Its 12MP center stage camera ensures that you look great on video calls, automatically keeping you centered even as you move. 3 high-quality microphones pick up your voice with clarity, while 4 speakers with spatial audio deliver rich, immersive sound. Whether you're on a Zoom call, attending an online class, watching a movie, or listening to music, the experience is consistently exceptional. Connectivity on this MacBook Air is versatile and future-ready. It features 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, a MagSafe charging port, a headphone jack, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.3, giving you fast and reliable connections to all your devices and accessories. It even supports up to 2 external displays, making it easy to expand your workspace for multitasking, creative work, or gaming. macOS enhances the MacBook Air's versatility even further. Apps like Microsoft 365 Copilot, Adobe Creative Cloud, and Google Workspace run flawlessly, allowing you to work efficiently across multiple platforms. For iPhone users, Apple's ecosystem integration is seamless. You can copy and paste content between devices, answer messages and FaceTime calls from your Mac, and even mirror your iPhone screen, creating a truly interconnected experience that other laptops simply cannot match. Design-wise, the MacBook Air is sleek, modern, and durable. The midnight finish gives a premium look, while its slim, lightweight body makes it highly portable. It's a perfect combination of elegance and practicality, suitable for professional environments, student use, or creative studios. In conclusion, the Apple 2025 MacBook Air 13-inch with M4 chip is more than just a laptop. It's a powerhouse of performance, intelligence, and portability. From its ultra-fast M4 chip to its stunning Liquid Retina display, from its long-lasting battery to its seamless Apple ecosystem integration, this MacBook Air is designed to handle everything you throw at it. Whether you're a professional, a student, a creator, or someone who simply wants a premium laptop experience, this MacBook Air delivers unmatched value, performance, and style in one compact, elegant package.